This power is for the good of all.
I mean, I also need to give him a better weapon too, but besides weapons, I don't know, they just don't have that DPS. Yeah, Jerry is definitely not.
This power is for the good of all.
Jerry definitely doesn't seem like I care that much about that. Jerry is a healer. Maybe the other characters have a different moveset, because it doesn't really seem like there's much going on. So, what do you think we should do? Should we go further, or should we just stay here? And I mean, technically we're about to get 8,000. I mean, this, if we stay here, we're going to consistently get more and more value, unless later in the other area there's a better spot for said something else, maybe, but this is already extremely good. Oh, really? Talking about Jerry? I mean, I wouldn't put it past them to have the same design from like the previous game, but
Listen. From now on, you and me are best buds.